Welcome to SQL and PLPG SQL. So, in this topic, we will learn about the on conflict update statement. So, what is the use of on conflict, the requirement, and the basic example of this statement. So, first, we will see the use of this statement. Used to update data in a table along with insert statement means we can use this statement while inserting a data into another table. Then we can, with insert statement, we can update the data also. Then we will see the in which requirement we can use this on conflict update statement. So first we will see the first point. If you want to insert and update data in a single query, then we can use on conflict update statement. So suppose we are performing a insert statement and update statement also, and we have to write that code in a single query, then we can use the on conflict update statement. So this is like same a merge statement. Merge statement we can use for the same purpose, but merge statement we can't use in PostgreSQL. That's why we have to use the on conflict update statement. Now we will see the syntax of this statement. So we have to use this syntax after the where clause, and this is the main syntax of the on conflict statement. So on conflict we have to write here column names on which column we have to performing the on conflict statement. Then we have to write the update statement. So do update set column name is equal to excluded dot column name. Excluded, this keyword is mandatory. Then we will see the example of this statement, means how this exam how this statement will be executed, and how we will use in the live operation. So here is one table A and table B. So in a table A there are four columns: serial number, item code, invoice number, and invoice quantity. So in table A there are two records, and in table B there is only one record. So let's see what is the question. So question is like, insert data from table A to table B. The question is like, insert data from table A to table B. So here we have to insert data from this table to table B. So here we will write one, we have written one note. We will read this. Note is like, if serial number, item code, invoice number is same, then update invoice quantity only. So the question is like, suppose while inserting data from table A to table B, then suppose the serial number, item code, and invoice number columns are same, then we have to update the data, means we have to update the invoice quantity. Otherwise we have to insert the data from the table A to table B. So here we will write one insert statement along with the update statement by using the on conflict statement. So we can avoid the on conflict statement by writing a separate queries, but we have to use the on conflict statement with the single query, means we can write insert and update in a single query. So we will see how we can write the query by using this on conflict update. So we have to perform one operation. We are inserting data from table A to table B, and the condition is like, if serial number, item code, and invoice quantity, these three columns are same, then we have to update the data, otherwise we have to insert. Then we will just see the query. So query is like, insert into table B. So these are columns, and select, we are selecting these columns from table B. Then the another query of the on conflict we have written here after the from clause on conflict. So on conflict, this column serial number, item code, invoice number, do update set invoice quantity is equal to excluded in invoice quantity. So the note is like, this is the query of inserting a data from table A to table B, and if data is the same, then we are here updating that invoice quantity column. So this is the query, this is the important query. Then notice like unique constraint should be on columns serial number, item code, and invoice number in a table B. So suppose we are performing this operation, so serial number, item code, and invoice number, these should be in a unique key on the table B. Then we will see the result after performing this operation. So result of this operation is like serial number, item code, invoice number, invoice quantity. Previously there was only one record. Now the result is there are two records. So one record has updated and another has inserted. So this is the use of on conflict statement. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe.